Okay, welcome to my deodorant making tutorial. The ingredients we will need today is baking soda, arrowroot powder, shea butter, and an essential oil of your choice. Today I'm using lavender. Okay, we will add in 2 tablespoons of baking soda. I heard that it irritates some people, so you can just take this out and replace it with arrowroot powder. Next, we'll add in the arrowroot powder. It'll be 6 tablespoons unless you replaced the other 2 tablespoons of baking soda. So then it'll be 8, of course. Okay. Our last main ingredient, besides the essential oil, will be the shea butter. So we'll add 6 tablespoons of that. I would recommend softening it up a little bit in a microwave for maybe, 5-second intervals instead of scooping it out like I did. But you live and you learn. Okay, now that we have the shea butter, baking soda, and arrowroot powder, grab a fork and we're just gonna start meshing it, mixing it up. It's supposed to be crumbly from what the instructions said, but you'll see what I mean here in a minute. So we're done mixing it with a fork. It's still really dry, but before we start blending, we want to add in our essential oils. I think the recipe called for like 75 drops. I'm pretty sure I added more later. Do whatever you feel. If you want to add more, do a little smell test on your hands, smell it while you're mixing it, but let's add it and let's start blending. Okay, I was blending for forever and it's still dry and very crumbly, unlike the instructions, but maybe I messed up somewhere. Either or, I'm popping this in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Okay, so the shea butter's softer, but it's a little too creamy to whip up, so I'm gonna have to take this, put it in the freezer, let it harden. I'm a mess. We're learning. So now, okay, I don't even know how long I left it in the freezer, but you want to have a solid consistency before blending this, just so you know. So now we'll keep blending and fluffing. Let's do it. Okay, so once you're done blending, you have the fluffiness or creaminess that you want. You're ready to put this in a jar, and that is it. So it's pretty simple. It was a mess at first, I'll admit it. It wasn't fun trying to figure this out, but it was an experience nonetheless. And I can honestly say that in the summer heat, this deodorant actually works. So I hope you enjoy.